Thank you, lover one. Once again, good morning. Once again, my name is Yakubu Hamza. You are highly welcome. On this YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you how I got 1K sub within a week. It's easy and peasy, and it's something, if you are serious about it, you'll get it. And the secret of growing on YouTube is consistency. Whenever you are consistent on doing something, there is power in it, and you get to your destination where you want to go. If this is the first time I've seen this video, consider subscribing and also like. Share this video. I have more and amazing videos to teach you on YouTube platform because I've been on this platform for a very long time. So if this is the first time I've seen you, thank you. Subscribe. What I want you to learn is YouTube is just like a business. See it like a business. Yes. See it as your way of living. If you see YouTube as a play, YouTube will also see you as something they play with you too. But if you're serious with YouTube, YouTube also is going to be serious with you. So what am I saying? What I want to teach you on this YouTube is just sleep with YouTube in your mind, wake up with it. When you create video, think on how to improve your video better than the last one you posted. So getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is easy and peasy. Keep on uploading videos, whether it's having views or not. Some people that will tell you I'm fed up, I'm tired. You've been fed up and tired. For the fact you're posting videos and it's not having views, it's not a guarantee that you will not go on YouTube. You understand? Power of consistency is very important on YouTube. Keep on posting videos and you will grow. I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I have a comedy YouTube channel called Viral Comedy TV 2254, which you can go and verify, that has over 51,000 subscribers. I started that channel in 2023, in the year 2023, and which, if you want to verify what I'm saying, you can go and check. It has over 50,000, and what I'm saying is power of consistency. Sometimes I'll post and won't have views, but with time I became who I want to be. The time I started having views, and before you know, I got there. So there was a time I'll post a video, a day I can get up to 12,000 subscribers sometimes. Depend on how the video is going viral. And for the facts they're not going viral does not mean you will not grow. These are key facts you need to understand when posting a video. Your title is very important. Your title, your hashtag also is very important. Always try to use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to generate your hashtag titles for you, because these are very important on YouTube. Very, very important. Do you get me? So that is that. Then another thing you need is thumbnail. Yeah, use a catchy thumbnail on YouTube. That is going to be very great. It will help you grow your channel. One surprising thing about YouTube is the video that you don't think is gonna go viral, be the one that will change your story. A single video can give you the subscriber and the watch time you want, and you get monetized. So for the fact the video is not growing now does not mean you are not going to grow. Keep on posting videos, you will grow one day. You understand? People are making living. People are getting $10,000 from you. I have somebody that is having $5,000. $5,000 to Naira should be around roughly 8 million Naira, which is a nice one for you for a good start here. And YouTube, even if they are paying you $100 is around 153,000. So it's a nice payment. So what I want you to do is hit the subscription button, like this video, and follow me. I have more tips on the YouTube channel. I'm going to be teaching you how to grow your channel. You understand? If you don't know anything on how YouTube works, I'm going to teach you how to create a new YouTube channel. I have a lot of tips to teach you. How to create and become a genius on YouTube is what I want to teach you. That is my priority. I want you to grow. I want to see you grow. The most amazing part of YouTube here is what gives me joy is how you grow on YouTube. Keep on growing. I want you to start making that cash, that dollars. It's very, very important. You understand? Don't stay idle. For the fact it's not working for others does not mean it's not gonna work for you. You too, you are a genius and you can do better than the person that is doing now. So be consistent and know what you are doing. Keep on learning, keep on improving your skills. Improving your skills every day is another important aspect of YouTube. Keep on improving and don't give up. Don't give up. So like and subscribe. I have more amazing tips to teach you. follow me. My name is Hamza. You're highly welcome.